Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone notifications sound issue after iOS 17 update. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, ensure that your iPhone isn't in silent mode. Although it may seem simple, check that the ringer switch on the left side of your iPhone is not flipped to silent. With iOS 17, you also have the option to use focus modes, which can mute all notifications. It's possible that you may have accidentally activated a focus mode that silences alerts. To check, swipe down to open the control center and review any active focus modes. If you see one that might be muting your notifications, tap on it to turn it off. You can also verify this by navigating to Settings and tapping on Focus. From there, see if any focus modes are enabled that might be set to block notifications. Another useful step is to restart your iPhone. Often, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that could be affecting your notification sounds. Be sure to follow the correct restart procedure for your specific iPhone model. If the issue persists after trying these steps, it may be time to reach out to Apple support. They can provide specialized assistance and help you troubleshoot the problem further. Visit Apple's official website to find their contact information. That is how to fix iPhone notifications sound issue after iOS 17 update. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.